What is up, guys? This is FNH News Reviews and Tutorials with a brand new video to talk about how you can fix your PlayStation 4's NP-40833-8 PS4 error code, or basically in simpler human terms, cannot connect to PSN. Now, just to give you a brief of what this error is, I had it happen to me as well, so I know what the hell I'm doing because I had it damn fixed. It was a pain in the ass, but you can have it fixed. Now, what this basically error is if you had some sort of, it doesn't even have to be you, but some sort of malicious logins or some malicious activity occurring on your IP address, PlayStation, because of its past security, as you know how it's been, they will try to basically ban that specific IP address. It can be temporary, it can be long term, it can vary per person, per country, per region, etc. Now, a few fixes. I will say a long way fix if you want to go for this route first. The first fix is you can literally call your internet service provider, your ISP provider, and tell them, hey, could you change my IP address because I don't feel safe, or it's not working, or something. Anything. Don't say Sony's reason, because they're going to say call Sony, and Sony's going to be like, we can't do anything for you. And they're going to say call them back. So you're going to be stuck. Say a good lie. I tried that route. I waited an hour. It didn't work. I was like, damn, my ISP sucks. They probably would have changed it, but I was like, they're taking too long. Screw them. Let me try the second route, the workable route. There's actually three. This is another one that someone told me about. I didn't try it. I didn't have enough patience or time. But if you technically wait 24 hours, it can work. And I've seen this work for some people. They have given me positive feedback regarding this. So if it works for you, give it a shot. Let me know if you don't want to take this other route that I'm about to take. The simpler and easier route is, once you do the fix and connect, I'll leave all these links in the description below. Once you do the fix and connect tool and you answer all the questions, if you're like me and nothing worked, you'll get to this page. What it basically tells you is to open the port forward, which is basically allowing the access for Sony to go through directly and not have any of that issue that I was saying. Because my internet was working fine, but when I tried to log in my PSN from my phone, from my computer, from my laptop, anywhere, it failed. It kept saying that error. I was like, what the hell does this mean? And then when I turned off my Wi-Fi and I did it from my phone, like LTE, my regular internet, it worked fine. I turned on the hotspot from my phone to my PS4, I logged in, it worked fine. I was like, all right, it's my internet. It was pretty obvious. So basically, if you end up doing this, it kind of like opens it and lets Sony know, like, all right, this person is legit, kind of type thing. It's a bit weird. I know I'm explaining it not obviously correctly in the fullest terms, but I'm giving you the gist of what it means and what's happening. So I have Optimum. That's the router I have, and I'm going to show you exactly what I did and how to do it. Everyone's different. Every router is different. It's fairly easy to pull up your router. If you write your IP address in the computer screen, in any browser, it should pop up. If not, if you just write your router's name and like say Linksys or Netgear in Google and say, hey, how to get search settings, you'll get to the screen. And then sometimes it's a bit hard to find the port forwarding thing, so it's usually in advanced settings like I'm going to show you right now. But if it's not there, you can always Google how to port forward your router, its model number, and literally instructions will pop up. If you can't find it, don't worry, just let me know in the comment section below. I will find it for you. I'll give it to you. I'll always give you like some very easy instructions to follow. So just to show you like what it is, I went to advanced settings, I went to port management, and in this screen, just to show you real quick, in this screen, I was very confused at first. I was like, I don't know what's going on. I don't know what to do. But again, Optimum is very easy to follow, so I didn't really have to do anything crazy. I literally pressed add port forwarding rule, and it was fairly simple to do it over here because they have, so let me see if I can find it. Yeah, they literally have called PlayStation 4. Right there. They literally have a thing called PlayStation 4, so I didn't need to do any of the ports. They literally had the field for it, and I was like, okay. And then the next thing was like selecting the port. I think mine was Hell's Devil or something. I don't remember which one it was, but I selected the port and that's it. It worked. I was like, holy crap. I literally saved it. I checked my computer, my PS4. It worked. It started working. I logged in my phone, logged in the laptop. I was like, yo, that was it? Wow. I wasted an hour on the damn phone with the freaking internet service provider who still didn't pick up my phone call. I was still on hold. I was like, this was a much easier and better fix. Why the hell was I not doing this before? So just to throw it out there, yeah, it kind of sucks. You may have to like take this route instead, but it works. It does work, and if you want to give it a shot, honestly, I would say go for it. This is like one of the best ways to do it. If you want to do the 24-hour one, go for it. You have my blessings. If you want to try this one works as well. There's nothing wrong with this one. This is probably an easier one. Again, the hardest one, I don't know how good your internet service provider is. You call them and tell them to change your IP. It can vary by country. This usually happens to people who are out of country a lot, and this happens to people who share routers, like you're in a dorm room, college dorm, or I'm trying to think, maybe an apartment complex where you share the Wi-Fi, maybe work. It's weird. If you're at work, it's gonna be hard. Like, so let's say it's work or a college dorm and you don't have access to their router. It's gonna kind of suck. I don't know if the waiting will help, but you may have to like try a VPN. Maybe I'll make another video for that. Maybe you gotta try a VPN. If you can mask your IP somehow, it'll work. I just don't know if you. I know you can do it from the PS4. I just never tried it. So I may make a video. I mean, let me know in the comment section below if you guys want me to. I can probably figure it out and make a video on that. Make a very simple, easy, quick guide for you guys, and go from there. So yeah, overall, I hope you guys found this video useful. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, definitely give it a thumbs up. It helps me a lot. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns, let me know in the comment section below. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe and click that dang notification bell. Other than that, F and H out. Peace.